In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay Hostinger monthly. If you want more flexibility with your hosting or marketing plan, and you'd rather avoid committing to a longer billing cycle right away, choosing a monthly payment option can be a practical solution. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to find that option and what to look for during the checkout process so everything goes smoothly. To get started, open your Hostinger account and sign in to your dashboard. Once you're logged in, take a moment to get familiar with the layout if this is your first time inside the account area. Most of the settings and purchase options are organized in the side panel, which makes it easier to find the service you need. From the left-hand panel, click on More Services or Marketing, depending on the type of plan you want to purchase. This section is where Hostinger displays additional services and available plans that you can subscribe to. If you're looking for something specific, move slowly through the options so you don't accidentally choose the wrong category. After opening that section, you'll see different plans available on the screen. These may vary in features, pricing, and billing terms, so it's a good idea to review them carefully before making a decision. Pay attention to what each plan includes, so you can choose the one that best matches your needs. When you find the plan you want, look for the billing options. You should see choices such as monthly or yearly. To pay month by month, simply select the monthly option. This is the key part of the process because some platforms highlight yearly pricing by default, so make sure the monthly billing cycle is actually selected before moving on. Once the monthly option is selected, add the plan to your cart. After that, just follow the prompts shown on your screen to complete the purchase successfully. This usually includes reviewing your order, confirming the billing cycle, and proceeding through the payment steps until everything is finalized. Before you complete the checkout, it's always smart to double-check that the plan in your cart is still set to monthly billing. That small review can help you avoid selecting the wrong term by mistake. And that's it. That's how to pay Hostinger monthly. If you follow these steps carefully, you should be able to purchase the correct plan without any confusion.